This is the update, made to Betheme 27.3.1, released on January 4, 2024. Betheme. Changelog. Betheme. Version 27.3.1. Changelog. Dynamic data, author tags. Functionality. Allows you to display information about the author of a post or page within your content dynamically. Example. Displaying the author's name, bio, or social media links. BeBuilder Image Element Align option for SVG images. Functionality. Provides the ability to align SVG images, scalable vector graphics, within the BeBuilder visual editor, ensuring proper placement and layout control. BeBuilder Shop Element Products List Standardization. Functionality. Ensures consistency and uniformity in the way product lists are displayed using the shop element within BeBuilder, enhancing visual coherence and user experience. Theme options templates active notice error if many templates are published. Fix. Addresses an error that occurred when a large number of templates were published, preventing the proper display of active template notices. Theme options templates active notice missing notice in logo tab. Fix. Ensures that the active template notice is now visible within the logo tab of the theme options panel, providing clear information about the currently applied template. Additional notes. These represent features, bug fixes, or enhancements within the Betheme framework. This is the changelog of Betheme. Version 27.3.1. Join our group and channel on Telegram. In the description of this video you have the links. These are our recommended videos today. Thanks for watching. See you soon.